In this video, we're looking at ECAA 2020, Section 1, Question 6. So we're given four equations of different lines and we're asked which two lines are perpendicular. So what are we going to need to know to answer this question? We're going to need to know the gradients of the different lines. So to do that, I'm going to rearrange it in the form y equals mx plus c, because we know that m is going to be our gradient value. So let's start with this top one. The first step I would do is separate y by itself. So we're going to just take 2x away from that side. We've got 6y equals 3 minus 2x. And we can simplify this by dividing by 6. Y equals 3 over 6, take away 2 over 6x. To get our final line gradient, our final line equation as 0.5, take away 1/3 x. So which of this is our gradient value? Well, we know it's the m from mx, so our gradient is minus 1/3. So pause for a second and see if you can work out the following gradient of these lines. So rearrange them to get y by themselves and then separate so it's y equals mx plus c. So here are our answers. If we look at our second line, we've got 1/3 x minus 4/9. So our answer for our gradient is 1/3. For our third line, we've got y equals 3x plus 3 over 2. So our gradient is 3. And for our final one, we've got 3 over 2 minus 4/9 x. So our gradient is minus 4 over 9. So now we have all our gradients. What are we actually going to do with them? How do we find out which lines are perpendicular? Well, perpendicular lines have the gradients which are negative reciprocals of each other. So say if we had m as one of our gradients, our other perpendicular gradient would be minus 1 over m. So which two of these are negative reciprocals? We can see that it's going to be 3 and minus 1 over 3. There are two different gradients. These two lines are perpendicular. So our final answer is answer B.